Hi, this is Santi. Welcome to World with Statistics. I want to tell some of the important statisticians and their contributions of statistics. I will show in a table. Statisticians and their contributions of statistics. R.A. Fisher. He is also known as father of statistics. He is giant in the development of theory of statistics. James Bernoulli. First treatise on the theory of probability. Captain John. Father of vital statistics. Pascal P. Fermat, Gambler, Chevalier, De Moivre. Founder of theory of probability. De Moivre. He has also worked on probabilities and annuities. Laplace. Theory of probability. Gauss. Principle of least squares and the normal law of errors. Euler, Lagrange, Bayes, A. Markov, Khinchin, Kolmogorov. A few made outstanding contributions to the modern theory of probability. Francis Galton pioneered the study in regression analysis in biometry. Carl Pearson pioneered the study of correlation analysis, chi-square test, goodness of fit. W. S. Gossett, t-test, small sample test. A. Fisher applied statistics to a variety of fields such as genetics, biometry, psychology and education, agriculture. Some of the Indian statisticians also contribute the development of statistics. They are P. Mahalanobis and P. V. Sukhatme, sample surveys. R. C. Bose, Panse, J. N. Srivastava, design of experiments in agriculture. S. N. Roy, multivariate analysis. C. R. Rao, statistical inference. Parthasarathi, theory of probability. If you like the information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.